that we have this event going on the weekend and we would like to go with the car, but it's not ready yet. So we find out the problem that you were hearing about the clutch problem. We still don't have the design of the car. We are rushing a lot and we will try in 2 days to get fixed the gearbox, remove gearbox, finish the car, put the vinyl and all the design, and attend to this event in Barcelona. Gearbox outside has been quite a fight because all the bolts were super tight and struggling under the car. Is not ideal being in one garage without lifter, but we managed to do it. So the problem that we have is this bearing, and we will need to find the replacement part for this one. This is going here. So if this gets stuck, it's really a problem with the car. We managed to mount the gearbox and to fix the issue, so it's gonna be fine for now. And today we're gonna be doing the vinyl of the car with the design. So we plan to do all the back of the car, black color. So let's disassemble the rear wing, disassemble the rear panels, and like this, it's gonna be a little bit easier to make the vinyl. We have the vinyl already from Pro Vinilos. They always are helping a lot in the last moment because I call him like, oh, I need this design for tomorrow, can you make it? And he's always up to, so thank you very much for your help. We did already some parts and it's taking really a lot of time to do all the vinyl, so we don't know if we're gonna make it on time or not, if we're gonna sleep in the garage. Let's see how it's going.
I got a new love. He runs for miles. 67 fastback. Oh, it's just my style. We're headed down the road.
It's almost 8 o'clock in the night and we are going ahead. We didn't film much because we are super busy trying to make it on time. So it's getting quite difficult. You can see little bit the result. It's almost 1 o'clock in the night and we're still finishing the car, so it's getting crazy. The vinyl has been super difficult to put it on, so we did the best that we could. And tomorrow morning in 6 hours we need to go to the circuit in Montmeló in Barcelona to present the car. So hopefully we make it in time and we're gonna take some spare parts just in case. We managed to have the car on time. So let's just start the adventure in the morning. Let's go to put fuel and air in the tires. We start with a flat tire. We need to put air and hopefully it's not losing air. Otherwise, we're gonna have another problem. Hopefully we make it. Let's see which problems we face. So we start with a 0.5 tire. Retengo ite. We need to make sure to don't cut the tire because we are really low. Hydraulic fluid a little bit low, and now I'm changing the camber of the suspension just to make sure that we are not touching, so at least to add some degree. And we need Neil. What is Neil? a little bit of white smoke inside the car. So we're gonna stop now and we're gonna make sure that everything is okay. So we are leaking a little bit of oil in the tensioner of the chain. So maybe the O-ring was not thick enough. But this oil is not good and we need to try to fix the leak with what we have here to arrive on time to the show.
I need a cigarette break too.
So here we have the problem, that is this O-ring that we can see is not thick enough. So we don't have much things, but at least we have a little bit of rubber. So at least now, for the moment, we make some kind of gasket to try to avoid that is leaking oil in there. Yogatta. Coming back, we will go flat out, no?
Oh no.
Yeah.
I took a ride on a Saturday night, but you know I'll make it back. You should never have to ask me, babe. Never have to.
So we made it to the circuit. Finally, has been crazy changing the oil, being super hot. So we made it, but just on time. And now we will show you a little bit the cars around. And also there is races, as you can hear, there are the GTs doing races today.
No, I only got your back. Missing the moments we lived under the sheets. Never thought I'd be the one to walk the streets like this, but I just wanna come home to you.
It was super windy because we had to keep our windows open because we don't have AC. But we made it, and then we're with cool cars around. We're gonna be showing you guys. Stay tuned. Yummy. I really like the Lamborghini, the Porsche. I really like the Honda, the one that had the sword. That was so cool.
Anything to say?
Kiko-chan 歩くの遅い. So many people stopping.
You can start a blog complaining about me.
Yeah.
We were able to go everywhere in the paddock, and they were having lots of supercars, like this McLaren Senna P1.
She said that she hate me, I hate me too. I can always tell when you're lying, girl, you're see-through. All these mouths.
They mix perfectly supercars with race cars. Lamborghinis were looking just like normal cars with all these supercars around.
She just wanna be you. I'm a dog, no Maltese. I don't wanna leave you.
Here we have mechanics repairing some damage from the races.
Cause I've been a douchebag before, baby girl. I don't wanna repeat. She just won't please me.
That
She look
Supra.
in my eyes, told me, why are you bleeding? And I don't even know how to answer. I take these drugs to my bladder. She said she noticed a pattern. She said I look gorgeous and tell her I'm flattered. But ain't my reflection. When I look at you, all I see is perfection. I'm so depressed and I don't know the reason. Just wanna feel better. Ain't my reflection. When I look at you, all I see is perfection. I'm so depressed, I don't know the reason.
It was super crowded, full of people, not as usual. The races were super interesting. Coming back to the show area, we saw this incredible skyline in a perfect condition. That was crazy. The engine was really clean.
I'm just so obsessed, I should take better care of myself, but fuck it. Blacked out in public, on that like she upset, but I know she loves it. I hate my reflection and I look.
I wonder how much it can cost this car now.
I'm so depressed and I don't know the reason, just wanna feel better. Hate my reflection, when I look at you, all I see is perfection. I'm so depressed.
So we are here with this incredible Porsche WV. If you don't know the name, this is done by Akira Nakai. Akira Nakai is really famous to do this kind of car, and he's always doing the car in person, traveling the country with the plate, making the car by himself. And this is one example. And this company, they're gonna be putting a special protection, filing everything, and we will get more information about this.
We came back to our project car before leaving, and for our surprise, we won a prize from the event. Everybody were asking for the car, and many people was interested in to buy the project already.
So we won a prize, but the best part is we won the best interior.
That was a perfect weekend. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.